What if I told you dinner is done in one pot? No fuss, no straining, no boring flavors, just a burst of summer harvest. Welcome back to the Cracked Mug. Stick around. This pasta dish might become your new weeknight hero. So come on, let's get in the kitchen and make one pot pasta. First thing, pop your kettle on with 1 liter of water and bring it to a boil. That's about 34 fluid ounces. Have that at the ready. If you have a large non-stick frying pan, use that. It needs to be able to accommodate the length of the spaghetti. I'm using this one because that's the only one that will fit. Here I have 450 grams of spaghetti, 450 grams of cherry tomatoes. That's about 1 pound. I have halved 2/3 of them, and some I have left whole because I just love that pop in my mouth when it's whole. Straight in. The zest of 1 large lemon, or 2 small. 105 milliliters of olive oil. That's a 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, but only if the kosher salt is made by Diamond. If you're using Morton's kosher salt, it's much saltier, almost like table salt. So only use 1 tablespoon of Morton's or 2 tablespoons of Diamond kosher salt. To this, add your 1 liter of boiling water. Bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, give it a stir and let it simmer here for 6 minutes. I'm using spinach. You can use 5 to 6 ounces, that's 140 to 170 grams. I'm using spinach, but you can use arugula, beet greens. Oh, you could use kale. If you use kale, just cut out the stalks. In this goes. And let's toss that in there. And you know it wilts very quickly. We're just going to cook this down for a few more minutes until we have a lovely silky sauce around it. That was 3 more minutes. And as you can see, the sauce has reduced a lot. So I'm going to call it right here. Beautiful. Turn off the heat. Since it has reduced, we are just going to taste it for seasoning. Look, it has a lovely red color from the tomatoes. Beautiful. I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to that and about the same in fresh black pepper. 1 more toss. It's time for some cheese. You can also add a little basil at the very end, like I'm doing now, because I love basil and it's growing right there for the minute. This dish is a canvas, basically a blank canvas. You can add things to, but I say try it this way first and then make the changes as you go along. Once you start making spaghetti this way, I don't know if you'll go back to the old way. It's amazing. Serve this up right away, because the sauce will continue to be absorbed by the pasta. I can see it here, it's almost gone. So make it and serve it.
I want a bowl of that. Kindly like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It really helps spread the word. Thanks.
Sorry, I couldn't stop. It was that delicious. Oh my God, make this. So simple, dreamy, 100% amazing. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me, and I appreciate it very much. So that's it. Until next time, mind yourself. Bye.
Yes, more please. See you next time.
Just a little bit.